So One UI 7 is just around the corner, and we've already learned a ton about what it's bringing to the table. But guess what? There are 8 fresh updates about this software that you probably haven't heard yet. So let's get right into it. What's up guys, Sal here. So first up, remember the lock screen media player I mentioned earlier? The one that's kinda inspired by iOS 18. Well, we now have a full video showcasing how it works. And let me tell you, it's better than I expected. Samsung didn't just copy the iOS version, they leveled it up. You get the full-size album art with playback controls underneath, which looks amazing. But here's the cool part, if you're not a fan of the album art taking over your entire lock screen, you can shrink it into what Samsung calls the Now bar. Best of both worlds, right? I know the animations, super smooth. Even in the demo video running at 60 FPS, it looks fluid. Imagine this running at 120 FPS on your actual device. It's gonna be buttery smooth. This is a definite upgrade from One UI 6.1. Next, a bit of a controversial change. Samsung is dropping the DeX app for Windows with One UI 7. Wait, before you panic, let me clarify. They're not scrapping DeX entirely, just the app for Windows. If you're unfamiliar with it, the DeX app for Windows allowed you to connect your Galaxy phone to your PC and manage it in a dedicated window, making file transfers super easy. But with One UI 7, Samsung is putting support for Windows version of the app. Why? Well, Samsung says they want users to shift to Microsoft's Link to Windows feature since it does almost the same thing. Which makes sense. Why maintain 2 apps that do the same job? It's kind of like what happened with Nearby Share and Quick Share. Both did the same thing, so Google and Samsung merged them into one feature. That said, the standalone DeX feature isn't going anywhere. You'll still be able to connect your Galaxy phone to a monitor or external display and use it like a mini desktop. It's just the Windows app that's going away. Next up, One UI 7 is also getting a fresh update to the lock screen, and here's a look at what you can expect. The new layout allows you to add widgets side by side. These widgets match the pill shape that's already used in the quick settings panel. And the best part, Samsung added a blur effect to these widgets so they blend seamlessly with your lock screen background while staying super readable. Speaking of widgets, check out the new calendar and clock widgets. The calendar widget, to be honest, looks a lot like Apple's. But if that's not your style, Samsung's got options, including the one that lets you customize the background and shape of the calendar widget to your liking. Next, Samsung accidentally uploaded a One UI 7 video showing how the software looks on the Z Flip 6. They quickly took it down, but not before we got a glimpse of the new design tweaks in action. And speaking of official videos, Samsung is hyping up AI Zoom as a key feature of One UI 7. According to them, AI Zoom uses the Pro Visual Engine and the Galaxy camera's AI to help capture clear zoomed-in images. Now, whether this actually improves zoomed-in shots on current Samsung phones with the update, or if it's just a marketing buzzword, remains to be seen. I'm leaning towards the latter, but we'll find out soon enough. Finally, the One UI 7 might bring the long-awaited Video Object Eraser feature. However, there's a catch. It could be exclusive to the Galaxy S25 series. Why? Well, because it needs the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which has native support for this feature. If you have the S24 Ultra or an older device, you'll likely miss out since those chips require cloud processing for the same feature, meaning you have to upload your video to the cloud to use this feature, which is probably why Samsung won't enable it on the S24 Ultra or older devices. Now for the big question, which devices are getting the One UI 7? While Samsung hasn't released an official list yet, here's what we know based on typical software support timelines. The Galaxy S25 series will be the first to get the update, with the S24 series receiving the beta rollout this month. So if you're an S24 user and want to try out the beta version, you won't have to wait long to try out the new features. And that's not all. There are 11 more updates you should know about when it comes to One UI 7. Click right here and I'll see you there.